This is why you should use AI in your job.
I think right now for the next year, let's call it, it's going to be, you need to learn how to use it. This will be your window to get efficient. Companies probably aren't going to start lopping people off yet. But I'll just say within my own company, so when I think about filmmaking, I went to film school, so I'm very experienced in this flow. And even in a 3D world, to create, let's say, a short cinematic, so it's like a mini movie but done digitally, you might have 35 people touch that thing, from the creation of the assets through the moving of the camera, special effects. You might have 50 people touch that. And if that really does become text to output, now 50 people become one.
Yeah.
And so when you get a 50-to-1 ratio in certain areas, obviously it's not going to be like that everywhere, but when you have certain areas that go from 50-to-1, take programmers. I've heard you say there will be no programmers, because writing code is just a way to talk to a computer, and if you have AI that will interface with the computer for you, why would you ever need to write code? So that's going to steamroll through society. That is just going to mow people over. So again, I'll give them 12 months, but even in my own company, if you're not actively trying to find a way to integrate it into your job function, I'm already looking at you sideways. A year from now, if you're not really good at either documenting how it is completely useless in your job function or showing how you're using it, we will find somebody that can do it.